Long ago, near a quiet village surrounded by green hills, there lived a young shepherd boy. Every day, his job was to take the village sheep up the hill and watch over them until evening. At first, the boy was excited. He loved the fresh air, the soft clouds, and the sound of bells around the sheep's necks. But after a few days, the long hours alone began to feel boring.
Watching sheep all day is so dull. I wish something exciting would happen.
Suddenly, a mischievous idea popped into his head. The boy jumped up and shouted at the top of his lungs.
Wolf! Wolf! A wolf is attacking the sheep!
Down in the village, people dropped their work and ran toward the hill with sticks and tools. One villager asked,
"Where is the wolf?"
The boy burst into laughter.
There is no wolf. I was just joking.
The villagers frowned, and they warned the shepherd boy.
This is not funny. Never lie about danger.
Feeling embarrassed, the villagers returned home. A few days later, the boy grew bored again. He looked at the sheep and grinned.
Let's have some fun.
Once more he shouted,
Wolf! Wolf! Please help!
Again the villagers rushed up the hill, only to find the boy laughing loudly.
You tricked us again.
It was just a joke.
This time, the villagers went back, upset and annoyed. One quiet afternoon, as the sun began to lower, something moved behind the bushes. A real wolf stepped in, its eyes fixed on the sheep. The boy's smile vanished.
Help!
The shepherd boy, terrified and screamed,
Wolf! Wolf! Please help! This time it's real!
But down in the village, people shook their head.
He is lying again. We won't be fooled anymore.
The wolf chased the sheep, and the boy could only watch helplessly. That evening, the boy returned to the village with tears in his eyes. He hung his head and said softly,
I lied before. And now no one believes me.
An old villager gently replied,
When you tell lies, even the truth sounds false.
Moral of the story is, always tell the truth. If you lie, people won't trust you when it truly matters.